What we see here is a typical diesel ferry boat operated by the State Water Transport Department in Kerala. There are 5,000 such boats all over India. In 2013, the department faced a big problem. It is not air pollution. It is not water pollution. It's not even noise or vibration of diesel engines or the smell of fuel, which is an issue of such engines, which is uncomfortable for passengers. But it was a high operating cost. The daily cost of operating such a boat was higher than the revenue from a very subsidized transport system, which is essential in a country like India, where water transport is used by poorer sections of society. So later that year, they threw open the challenge. Can somebody make a 75-passenger solar ferry boat, move across the backwaters 2.5 kilometers, take 22 trips from morning till evening? So we grabbed the challenge, we grabbed the opportunity, and we set out. So when we did that, there were people in the industry and academia who said that such a thing is not possible. Carrying 75 people on solar energy is beyond the so-called experts' imagination, right? So it did not stop by just giving opinions. It also had results in me going to the Vigilance Department and explaining how it can work. Even public interest litigation in the High Court of Kerala to stop this project. Anyway, why did they think it is not possible? The reason is, you just can't take an existing diesel ferry boat, put solar panels, put electric propulsion, it will not work. You need to change something. That's because the energy from the sun is way lower than what you need to run the boat. So what do you have to do? You have to completely change the design of the boat. One, you need to reduce the weight of the boat by half, right? By using lighter material and optimized structure. Two, you need to reduce the drag to 1/3 by making the underwater shape more optimum. And thirdly, you need to make an efficient powertrain, which is very reliable, rugged, marine grade, so that it works continuously. We took about a year and a half to design, but we managed that part. And this is how the boat is constructed, from the pattern to the mold to the first hull, which is released. And then we launched in November of 2016 and did the test and trials later. And here is India's first solar ferry. When we, thank you. So just after that, we did the trials and proved to the world, yes, we can carry 75 people and run on solar energy. So on 12th Jan 2017, the boat was inaugurated by Minister of Power, Sri Piyush Goyal, and Kerala Chief Minister, Sri Pinarayi Vijayan. And it has been operating for the past 11 months. So in a year, this boat carries 500,000 people, right? And travels 20,000 kilometers without a single drop of fuel. That's like saving 35,000 liters of diesel, which translates to about 94 tons of carbon dioxide and 8 tons of all the other emissions you all know. So clearly this is a greener and better boat. Now let's see whether it's a cheaper boat. The economics, from 7,000 per day, it is 163, which is 1/40th, right? So this is how you make it sustainable. And from the capex side, we are today 20% more expensive, but in 3 years it breaks even, as you can see, and the life cycle cost is way lower than a diesel ferry. But I can assure you, 1 year down the line, when we build the 20th boat, the prices will be same, right? So our boat is cleaner, better, and cheaper. So what are we doing now? We are replicating in India. We have signed 3 more boats. And the whole of the world, 20 degrees north of equator and 20 degrees south is our market. And we are going for it. And what are we doing next? We are building boats, different kind of applications, which need to go faster, longer, or carry heavier cargo. And that's what our R&D is. The right topmost is shipping, which is our ultimate dream. So having demonstrated Aditya, we believe that there is no reason why anyone should be building diesel ferry boats. And we would like to believe that we want to transform water transport the way Tesla has done on road. Thank you.